24h Nürburgring is an experience, and nothing can describe it.
I heard all the stories before coming here, and this place is absolutely crazy.
It's just like a tarmac ribbon circuit. When you're hanging on, there is nothing like this place.
It's the toughest, hardest, longest track in the world to separate the men from the boys.
No unnecessary risk, no unnecessary risk. Stay cool, you will manage.
They call this place the Green Hell because for sure it's the craziest, most ridiculous racetrack I've ever been to.
When you go on track and you see the smoking, the barbecue, the parties, it's an atmosphere that you cannot ever see anywhere else.
Extraordinary! More the races anywhere in the world.
Nürburgring 24 hours is possibly the toughest race and hardest race to win. Not only you need a fast, reliable car, you need strong teammates, strong team behind you, and you need the Nürburgring luck on your side.
For me, this is the most difficult track and most difficult race that we'll ever do. The level of danger and commitment needed here is unlike any other, and for me this is the hardest one to get to the end, let alone finish on top.
It is just one of the race starts that is unlike anything else.
As they say in German, this is unglaublich. The grid, you cannot even see the cars because there is so many people around, so it's pretty amazing. That's unique in the 24h Nürburgring, but now we have 24 ahead of fighting.
Quality and depth of quality at the front of the field this year, absolutely extraordinary. Get ready to do battle. They are waiting for the green flag. And we are underway in 2023. All chains behind, as late as it possibly can be. Now we have a real dogfight at the head of the order between Lamborghini, Mercedes and Ferrari. 3AMG GT3 battling together. Christodoulou, what a smart piece of driving. Christodoulou, the quickest of the top four cars, and he's now up to third position.
Racing at night in the Green Hill is total madness. You will get through a portion of the track around 260 kilometers where it's completely pitched out, while the fans are celebrating a party 5 meters from you.
It's absolutely bonkers, to be honest. I mean, obviously with all the campsites, the fires, the barbecues, fireworks, there's a heap of lights, party lights going off.
It's wild. You're just going around, your eyes are on stores, you got the full beams on, you're flashing, trying to cut through the traffic.
The amount of cars you overtake every lap, every split-second decision needs to be spot on.
Very good job, very good job.
While I was passing a slower car, he moved right, I passed on the left, and then he changed lane and moved back to the left. I mean, no real words, very disappointing, but on the positive, obviously we still have our sister car in the race, which is in a very good position, so fingers crossed for them.
Now all of a sudden, Formula Ford style, they burst out, one burst and flood the track, 3 wide groups.
Und nicht mehr drücken, das will coaching die Flammgarde.
Yeah, the night was really tough for us. We were pushing like crazy all the night through, and yeah, we couldn't catch up with the Ferrari and the BMW. Now we are fighting against our sister car, the number 4 AMG from HRT. So it's all about getting on the podium.
It's almost there, we're currently P2 in class and still chasing the Ferrari. We're going to push and we're going to do the best, but of course first we want to bring the car home.
perfect job. We just took the maximum we could this weekend. It was quite tough, but a good spectacle, I think, for the fans. Looking at everything that we had happen this race, I think we can be quite happy with P3.
Nürburgring 2023 is a challenge, to say the least. Yeah, to finish fourth or to even finish such a race is insane. And yeah, 24 hours around the clock is tough, and especially around the green hell. But it's satisfying to finish this race.